Hello guys, I am you. So today we will solve these two pattern we have, that is third number and fourth number of pattern we will solve today. So without wasting time, let's go for the code. So here is two pattern. So there is one thing there is one thing to notice in this pattern is that a number of rows and number of column. When we go for the pattern printing, the first thing we have to notice the number of rows, like number of rows, number of columns, and their structure, how the pattern is printing, like from the next line, and what we are printing in a row. For a particular row we have to find basically relationship between row and columns. Okay, so I will explain first code for this. So like for this pattern, you can see this is like first row, and this is second row, this is third row, this is fourth row, and this is fifth row, right? So this is the row, like first row, second row. So now you can see for a particular row, the number we are printing till that row. Like for the first row we are printing till 1, for second row we are printing from 1 to, for third row we are printing 1 to 3, for fourth row we are printing 1 2 3 4, and so on, like so. Okay, so what we have to do, as you can see, the number of rows is equal to, like, we will take input for number of rows and number of column. We will take input, and we will run outer loop for number of rows, and for our inner loop we have to print number till that row. Like I will show you a little code here. What we have to do, we have to run the loop till row, like like for example we have taken, just a second, yeah. So like we have taken the number of rows as 5, so till 5 this loop will run, and for each row we have to print a number till that row number. Okay, so what we will do, we have to print number from 1 till their I value. Like what we have done, key I plus 1 we will take, because either we can take like this or we can take like this. Okay, j plus plus, or we will print, what we have to print, j means the inner loop value we have to print. These are for the spaces. I will also show you this is running, or this is NL for next line. Like after printing 1, for the next row, we have to print from next line. For the third row we have to print from next line, something like that. I will also show you this is working. Okay, so here we have taken number as input. Okay, 5, like this is working. 5 is the number of row, 5 is the number of column. What we are doing here guys is that I will show you dry run. Okay, so that will be very easy to you to understand what we are doing. Like outer loop is running for row number of times, like for I is equal to 1 something will work, I is equal to 2 something like work, till something like that. ऐसे ऐसे करके I is equal to row means 5, we have entered row as a 5, this will 5 times, this will work, so this will print for the 5 times. Okay, so for every outer loop this loop will work. Okay, for every outer loop this loop will work. What this will loop do, from I is equal to 1, I plus 1 means for I is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 2, means j की value will run j equal to 2, j equal to 2, j is equal to 1, j is equal to 2, but here is less than, means this j is equal to 2 will not be included, so this part will not be included, so this will run only for j equal to 1. So for I is equal to 1, j equal to 1, we are printing j means 1. For I is equal to 2, something like that, I की value 2 के लिए this inner loop will work. Here I is equal to 2, 2 plus 1 equal to 3, means what we are doing, j की value is equal to 1, j की value is equal to 2, j की value is equal to 3, but here less than operator is there, so the last value is not will not be included, so this 3 will not include. So what will we print, j, like for 1, for 2, first 1 1 1, here 1 2, and something for I is equal to 3, when go for I equal to 3, 1 2 3 will print, for I equal to 4, 1 2 3 4 equal to print, and for I equal to 5, 1 2 3 4 5 equal to print. So something like that, 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 will print. Oh guys, you are able to understand this pattern, 1 2 3 4 5 we are printing, something like that. Okay, now we will go for the second pattern. So like in this pattern, have you noticed one thing, just a second, in this pattern have you noticed one thing, what we are doing, Same we are doing, like we are printing rows equal to number of rows, like I value will represent row, and for every row we are printing number till the row number, like one first row, this is first row, this is second row, this is third row, this is fourth row, and this is fifth row. So what we are doing, we are printing till that row number. Till that row number means number of times, row number of time we are printing number, means here I will show you a little code. Like we have to first of all we have to print. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to print till row. So we will go for I is equal to 1, I is less than equal to row, I plus plus. For every outer loop, this loop will work, inner loop will work. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to, for first row we have to print ith value. For the second row, I is value is equal to 2. When I k value is equal to 2, we have to print 2 2. Means what we have to do, we have to print value of I. How number of times? I number of times. Means j is equal to 1. And what we have to do, we have to print this till I number of time. Okay, so here we will include this, and j plus plus c out and j. What we have to do, we have to print the value of I. This is for the spaces, oh sorry, and c out, and this is for end line. Let's run this code. I hope it will work as expected. Okay, let's cut this code. If it will not work, I will fix it, don't worry. 5 5. Okay, so like guys, this is working. 1 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 5. I will now I will show you dry run. Okay, so now like in the loop working, this is working how for every value of I, j this part will implement. For every value of I, this part will increment. Like for I is equal to 1, some this loop will work. For I is equal to 1, when I value is equal to 1, what will be value of j is equal to 1? J should be less than equal to I. J should be less than equal to I means j should be I only, मतलब j की वैल्यू केवल 1 रहेगी. What we are doing, we are printing one number of time. This is the number of time. How number of times? This number of time. So what we are doing, for every value of I, this will work. So j की value is equal to 1, 1 is less than 1, 1 is less than equal to 1 means j की value will be 1. What we are doing, we are printing value of I. So what will print 1. Now we will go I for 2. When I की value is equal to 2, j will be 1 and j is less than equal to I means j की value will equal to 2. What we are doing, we are means this for I is equal to 2, this part will run 2 number of times, like j is equal to 1, j is equal to 2. What we are doing, we are printing the value of I means 2 and 2. For I is equal to 3, what we are doing, j की value equal to 1, j की value equal to 2 and j की value equal to 3. Okay, means how number of times? 3 number of sound. 3 number of times what we are doing, we are printing value of I, like 3 3 3, something like that pattern. Will print 1 2 2 3 3 3 4 4 4 4 5 5 5 5 5. Okay, this is something like pattern will print. We can take another example also, like we can print like 7 8. Here we can take 7 8 as example. 1 2 2 3 3 3, like say 8 number of rows, 7 number of rows, 8 number of column are printing. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Thank you so much for your time. Hope you are able to understand this pattern. Thank you so much.